Hey, what's going on, folks? So today I'm perfecting the fitment on my Kia Stinger. So as you can see, wheels are really tucked in. They're not very lined up with the fender. I'm gonna be adding some spacers today, and it'll all be looking clean after that. Alright, so these are the spacers we're putting on today. Got them from Khartuners. They're hub-centric. Pretty nice. Alright, so the first step was just taking off this little vanity cover they have on here. Literally it's just a screwdriver, just stick it under, comes right off. Now I just gotta break loose all these with this breaker bar. And after that I'll lift it off and then take the wheel off. Alright, so we got the wheel off. Now it's time to install the spacers. You just put it on the factory studs. And you use these nuts. You put them on the factory studs. I was told you torque them down to around 85 foot-pounds. So you're obviously going to need a torque wrench for this. So I just bought. Should be good to go. Alrighty. Alright, so I got them all on there. Just got to do a final torque to make sure they're at the right torque spec. Then I'll put the wheel back on. Alright, just like that, it's done. The wheels actually line up better. Let's compare it to this side. Tucked in, that is. And that side. Lined up. I'm gonna do it to the rest of the four wheels, and then I'll update you guys on how it looks. And a little tip while doing these, you're gonna need something to prevent the rotor from spinning when you're tightening these down. So I just got a breaker bar, just pinned it up in between the lug nuts, the studs, and it did the trick. This is another comparison. This side's got the spacers on it. And this side is not. They're tucked in way too much. I just got them all finished up. Ooh, that's just what it needed. Fitment's a lot better now. Got both sides finished up. Yes, sir. Thanks for watching, guys.